Hi, this is Eric with Globe Runner. Have you ever thought to yourself, half of my marketing works, I just don't know which half? It's a common problem that marketers run into and owners definitely face. So we've tried to conquer that problem, and I will say there are a lot of things that can be done to figure out which half of your marketing is working. So I'd like to go deep on that topic and figure out what we can do to track marketing better and determine what's actually effective and what's a complete waste of money. Some of the tools that we use are call tracking. So what we like to do is track every single phone call that comes into the business. Ideally, we put a dynamic call tracking number on the website. That way that each individual user that makes a phone call gets a different phone number. By showing them a different phone number, we know exactly which user triggered the call. By knowing the user, I know which campaign they came in through. The other thing we can do is separate out last click attribution from original click attribution. So let me break that down for you. What I mean by that is last click attribution is the last thing that they did before they made a purchase. I attribute that campaign with the visit. So let's give an example. If somebody saw an ad that you were running on Facebook and they came to your website but did not purchase, they left your website and came back a week later and made a purchase. When they came back, instead of coming through Facebook, they came through Google search. So which one of those campaigns actually drove that sale? Was it the last click or the first click that that purchaser made? Well, they're both important actually, but I'd really like to know whether or not my Facebook campaign was effective in generating the awareness that then brought that customer back later. So I'd like to report, and what we do today is we implement some very sophisticated marketing automation software that allows us to tie back the original time that a visitor came to my website. We know exactly when they came to the website first. When they do identify themselves by making the purchase, I can connect the dots between the final purchase and the first time they visited us. So now we know the entire life cycle. And then we can report back last click attribution and initial awareness or first click attribution. Those are just two methodologies that we use to report to clients how we are performing as an agency and which campaigns are performing, which ones are winners and which ones are dogs. Thanks so much.